Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Tuesday evening, December 16th, 2025, and we have a great mix of finance headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
Lexaria Bioscience Corp announces closing of $3.5 million registered direct offering priced at the market under NASDAQ rules. Lexaria Bioscience Corp has closed a $3.5 million registered direct offering under NASDAQ rules. The offering consisted of 261,600 shares of common stock priced at $1.315 per share. Additionally, the company issued unregistered warrants to purchase the same number of shares with an exercise price of $1.19 per share. H.C. Wainwright & Co. acted as the exclusive placement agent for the offering. The net proceeds will be used for research and development, working capital, and general corporate purposes. The shares were offered under a shelf registration statement, and the warrants were issued in a private placement. Lexaria's Dehydratech technology improves drug delivery through oral means, with 56 patents granted worldwide. Beeline Holdings Inc. (DAC) targets faster, simpler mortgages as it expands AI-driven lending model. Beeline Holdings Inc., listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BLNE, is revolutionizing the mortgage industry with its digital-first approach. Using AI technology, borrowers can receive a qualification decision in just 7 to 8 minutes with 90% certainty. The company is targeting millennials, Gen Z buyers, and baby boomers looking for mortgage solutions. Beeline's lending entity achieved cash flow positivity in October, with plans for company-wide cash flow positivity by the first quarter of 2026. By modernizing the home lending process, Beeline aims to simplify and expedite the loan approval process, supporting financial mobility for home buyers and real estate investors. Goldman Sachs predicts decline of copper prices in 2026. A recent report from Goldman Sachs predicts a decline in copper prices next year, despite increasing demand from power infrastructure. The report also projects that the metal's price on the LME will reach $15,000 per metric ton by 2035. This outlook favors companies like Torr Metals Inc. that are well-positioned to benefit from these market trends. Investors can find the latest news and updates on Torr Metals Inc. in the company's newsroom. Mining Newswire is a specialized communications platform focusing on developments in the global mining and resources sectors, providing access to a vast network of wire solutions and tailored corporate communications solutions.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Finance Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.